Morning student, today I am here to explain English language of class 5th simple past tense. So what is the definition of simple past tense? Verbs that speak of actions that took place sometime in the past are said to be in the simple past tense. This is the definition given in the book. So the simple past tense is used to refer to actions that were completed in a time period before the present time. Means the action which had already happened in the simple past. The process of performing the action is not important. What matter is that the action was completed in the past. The action may have been in the recent past or a long time ago. Okay student, so the simple past is used for action that started and finished at a specific time in the past. It also possible to use the simple past in a sentence without specifying a time. Okay, time is not important, but it must have previously been made clear that the speaker is referring to a finished period when that action is ended. That is more important. Okay. Now, for the example, I saw a movie last week. In this example, he had already seen the movie. Okay, saw is the past tense type form of a verb, and over here the speaker referring to a finished period last week. Over here in the sentence, I saw a movie last week. So it also over here it must have previously been made clear that the speaker is referring to a finished period, and the simple past is used to describe several actions that were completed in the past. This is also another point. Then the simple past is used to describe a process that started and finished in the past. In this case, the process of the action is long and is used by specifying time period such as the whole year or all day. Next point is to know the simple past. The simple past can also be used in sentences that describe past habits. These sentences have the same purpose as the expression used to. It should be clear in this kind of sentence that the action referred to is a habit. Time expressions like always, often, usually, and never can be used to underline this. Okay, students. So, how we can use the past tense? We can know by seeing the structure over here. Structure of simple past tense. We can use simple past tense in a declarative sentence like this. First, we use the subject I, we, you, they, Reena and Tina. If there is more than one person, then we use the verb. After the subject, we use the verb. Then the rest of the sentence with subject he, she, it, and the name of the person Christina. Again, after the subject, we use the verb. Then the rest of the sentence. Now, in the negative sentence, we use the subject. Okay, I, we, you, they, Reena and Tina. Then the verb did not sing. Over here written did not sing. So not is the is refer as a negative sentence, then the rest of the sentence. With the subject he, she, it, Christina, we use the verb did not sing. Over here again, did is our helping verb, not is used for a negative sentence, then the main verb you will see, and the rest of the sentence. Now we come to interrogative sentence. In this verb, the helping verb come first, then the subject, then after the subject, main verb, and the rest of the sentence. So always when there is an interrogative sentence, when you are going to ask something or you to know something, then you have to put the helping verb did over here. Did. After the helping verb, you will write the subject I, we, you, they, Rina and Tina, then the main verb. Main verb is your sing, dancing, jumping, anything, etc. Then the rest of the sentence. Then again, when we use past tense in an interrogative sentence, then again we use the helping verb, then the subject he, she, it, Christina. After that the main verb, then the rest of the sentence. Okay, students. Now, uses of simple past tense. How we can use simple past tense? We use simple past tense to express that an action started and finished at a specific time and in the past. For example, yesterday the teacher sent a note to Raksha's parents. Over here the expression that an action started and finished at a specific time. Yesterday the teacher sent a note to Raksha. So over here the specific time is being shown, yesterday. Okay, and sent is the past tense form of a verb. Then in the second sentence, we went for a picnic last week. Again over here, went is the past tense form of a verb, and last week shows that the action is being finished as a specific time in the past. Second is express a duration in the past. For example, he lived in America for 8 years. Over here 8 years show the duration in the past, that a person is living around 8 years in America. Now she studied French for 3 years. Again the 3 years shows that the duration is of 3 years. Studied is the past tense form of a verb over here, and you will see that ed is used in the verb. So it is very important that the verb is referred with d or ed. Talk about a series of action in the past. Third point, you will see talk about a series of action in the past. For example, I got up at 6 a.m., brushed my teeth and prepared breakfast. So this shows the series of action, that you got up at 6 a.m. This is again, you see the word got in pink color, and it shows the verb. Okay, past tense form of a verb. Then brushed, and then after he brushed, he prepared a breakfast. So this shows the series of action. A person is talking about the series of action. First, they got up early in the morning, then they have brushed their teeth, and after that he prepared their breakfast. Okay, then after, in the second sentence, we packed and went for a picnic. Over here again, this is packed, you will see ed in all the verbs, and went for a picnic. So again, this is the series going on. First he packed, this is the action verb or action word, and it shows the series of action in the past. So student, I hope all of you understood the chapter. Thank you. Stay safe and keep learning.